very good and cute. And I draw this also, right? I draw this by myself. Wow. Great. Very, very great. By myself. Usually this is a little bit weird also. Usually a lot of female streamers channel, they have a lot of artist fans, right? And throw a lot of emotes or GIF for streamer, but I usually have no. So so I had to draw by myself. You really do? I click my name. I started my live stream 2018. Do you still have the cake corner sticker? What is that? Do you have cake corner sticker? What cake corner sticker? Myself? What is that? I only made the Germany sticker and this watermelon sticker. Yes, that was a lie. I think I missaid. I made a mistake because I'm Korean. I'm not English user, so sometimes you know. Do you remember? I said I'm gonna read English book every day 50 pages, but I mean it was 5. Sometimes I feel confused about numbers. Sorry. Yes. Chat. Don't trust the chat. Chat always lying. You know. They say you started from. What? 2008. I was, you know, like student. I was student, you know. 2008. Wow, I had to do live stream in 2008. You know, student, university content. It will interesting. I knew Twitch too late, I guess. Don't trust the chat. 2008 live stream, 100p, 180p. I guess even no apps for live stream on the phone, I guess. I guess, maybe. My first live stream on Twitch was almost 180p, you know that? Super bad quality. Yeah, it is on the computers. From webcam. And I never had a webcam before. You know, only, you know, like PC Cafe has webcam. PC Cafe has webcam. Only PC stream back then. That's true. You know, so many things changed. Justin TV. Around the time. Why Justin, by the way? Not, you know, James TV or not Jordan TV. Is that owner's name, Justin? $5 is good for stickers, yes. I agree. Anyway, Gianni TV sounds great. Gianni TV. You miss Justin TV? I never watched Justin TV. It was good, by the way. It was good. Original Justin TV was single channel featuring Justin Khan. What? So one person. It was live stream platform for one person. Either way, why they changed the name to Twitch? You know, I hope they keep use, you know, that name. Doesn't it became Twitch? I know, but why they changed the name? No reason actually. New customer right next to my table. Aiming to platform gamer. Twitch TV usually for gaming, right? Twitch's mean was, you know, like this correct? No? No, I don't know. Twitch is little bit like let me see. I do before I forgot to be like this. You know. Twitch watches TV and turns. Really? Interesting. Oh, Twitch is originally means, you know, this. Then Amazon bought Twitch. Really? Oh my god. Interesting. Like, interesting. It says like 1 second. I guess I can get some. Here. Some, like, at that moment she felt the first twitch of anxiety, right? Me too. Wait.
She felt the first twitch of anxiety.
Difficult. Okay, what about this? She has a twitch in her left eye. Like maybe like this. Sometimes, you know this feeling, right? Here, he greeted us with a What?
He grins with a mere twitch of his
Beer? Twitch over his head. I never saw this word beer. Difficult. Let me see. Beer? Interesting, difficult, still difficult. This is Korea app. Is America same look? And when I click this, I can see all the words. Pretty good though, right? I think this is really good to